Unlocking English. Clear the way, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase, clear the way. This video will help you understand its meaning, usage, and context in everyday English. So, let's get started and clear the way for better understanding. Clear the way is an idiomatic expression that literally means to remove obstacles or barriers from a path or area. However, in everyday English, it's often used metaphorically. It means to remove any obstacles or hindrances that might be preventing progress or movement, either physically or in a situation. Let's look at some examples to see how clear the way is used in different contexts. 1. Physical context. The workers cleared the way for the new road. Here, it means removing physical obstacles for construction. 2. Metaphorical context. The court ruling cleared the way for the new law to be implemented. In this scenario, it means removing legal or bureaucratic obstacles. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. You might hear it in news reports, business meetings, or everyday conversations. It's a versatile phrase that can be applied in various scenarios, from literal situations like clearing a physical path, to more abstract ones like paving the way for new ideas or projects. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, clear the way. We hope this video has cleared the way for a better understanding of this common English expression. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances and contexts of phrases like this. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.